Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are going to open my September Petit Vour box. Now, I had a billing discrepancy last month. That's why there was not an August video. My credit card expired and I didn't catch it soon enough. So I am back in order with that. And this is September's box we're going to get into. But before we do that, I did want to talk about this eyeshadow from Medusas Makeup that I am wearing today. This is their matte eyeshadow in Jamaica. I did mention in that video that this looks a lot different online, but I just used it today. I just kind of diffused it a little with this fluffy brush all over the eye, and I love it. I mean, it's not dramatic, but like, this might be one of my new favorite one shadow all over the lid natural kind of look eyeshadows. I just feel like it looks so right on my face. It's very complimentary, especially applied in that diffused manner. I love this. Obsessed. This might go in my daily use drawer. So love this. Love, love, love this. Now let's crack into our box. Here is our card for the month. This is really not that interesting, especially when they send really pretty illustrations some months. So, but not that that really matters at all. I always forget to do this part. Always, but I remembered this time. So in the US, the monthly subscription is $21 for this box, or you can get 12 boxes to pay up your whole year at once for $216, and that comes to $18 a month. I also have a referral code I'll put down in the description box below. It is not a special code. Anyone who signs up gets one, but that will give you, I think, $10 off your first purchase. So that's not bad. So the first product we have here is from Andalu Naturals. This is their Argan Stem Cell Conditioner for thinning hair. It says age defying, so it seems this is targeted more towards women with thinning hair later in life. My hair is the exact opposite of that. I have so much hair, but I'll definitely give this a try. This is a $3 value, and the description is Phytocell Argan Stem Cells support vitality for stronger strands with less breakage as argan oil nourishes and conditions for flexible strength and smooth manageability. The result is noticeably fuller looking hair with amplified body volume and shine. And this is actually a really good size for travel, so maybe I'll stick this with my travel items. Our next item is from 100% Pure. This is their Vitamin C Boost Concentrated Treatment. This is a $30 value. The description says, this water-activated powder treatment offers a potent dose of stable vitamin C, designed to dramatically increase luminosity while lessening the appearance of dark spots. The pH-balanced formula promotes a brighter complexion while supporting collagen and elastin production for firm, supple skin. Hyaluronic acid deeply hydrates and replenishes thirsty skin for a rejuvenated glow. I don't often love powder products that have to be activated with water, but the ingredient list is really short and to the point here with nothing harmful, so I'm definitely going to give this a try. The next item is a complete and utter disappointment because it came in the other vegan subscription I get this month. Why would this company give this to two different vegan subscription months boxes in the same month? Like, that doesn't make sense to me. Spread it out some. Even if I got doubles, it'd be less disappointing to get them in the same month. That feels like really, really bad strategizing to me. I don't even own a business, and that just seems like a bad idea. So the product I'm whining about is the Provence Apothecary Ultra Soft Facial Brush. I already put one of these in my giveaway box I just started this month, so maybe I'll give this one to a friend. I don't know. I just know I'm not going to use it. The description says, soft, dry facial brushing activates your lymphatic system to awaken the face and improve overall skin health from within. So yeah, this, I'll actually put this one in the giveaway box because I won't have broken the seal, and I'll give that other one to one of my friends. The last item we have is from Pacifica, and this is their Dreamy Youth Complex Lip Balm. Packaging is really cute. Pacifica packaging is always really cute. This is a $10 value, and the description is infused with vegan squalane, vegan collagen, sunflower seed, and jojoba seed oils to deeply comfort your kisses, while Ipomoea batatas root, I did not pronounce that right, while that big name for a root, and radish root extracts help restore healthy moisture levels to a more youthful, full appearance. So that's kind of fun. Why don't we go ahead and open this, because I use a touch-up anyway. I think I ate most of my lip gloss off. Let's see. Ooh, it does have a color. Let me swatch it. So it's just kind of a sheer magenta-y tone. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the lips. So it is pretty sheer, but it is a nice color on the lips. I feel like there's a lot of these products out right now that are really, really popular. The very like, they remind me of the early 2000s Victoria's Secret like juicy glosses they would sucker you into getting, because they were like, I don't know, 3 for $15 right at the checkout line. It's very nice. It has a nice smell. Doesn't really taste like anything, but it smells nice. And it just gives you a really pretty glossy, juicy lip. Love this. Oh, I didn't even notice the box actually does say strawberry rose, and it is a pinky red color, and that's very accurate. So overall, the box is pretty good. I mean, this isn't made for my hair type, but I'm happy to try it. Don't love powdered things, but the ingredients seem good, so I'm happy to try this. Really love this juicy little gloss, but this is disappointing. I'm gonna give this okay score. I'm gonna give it like a B+. I feel like the products I am gonna use, with the exception of the gloss, which I do like, are not that exciting, even though they're practical and I will use them. But this pisses me off. So yeah, B+, A-, something around there. I'd love to know what you guys think, so leave me some comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button to stick around for a while, and otherwise I'll talk to y'all later. Bye!